Hey everyone, this is Rohit, and by the end of the video, you would know what are the top paid resources that can help you in your interview preparation journey for your upcoming software engineering interview. The like target for this video is 45 likes, so hit the like button and do subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such content. So before we talk about the paid resources, what are the pros of using a paid resource? These are mostly appealing to those people who don't have much time digging for resources manually. Like when you go to LeetCode, there's tons of solutions, but there are not many video link solutions or video based solutions with animations to understand how the problem can be solved. Sometimes it's easier to understand when someone is explaining things with more visuals. This is just one example, so you mostly save time here and get access to information with ease. If you don't like paid resources, you can watch my other video about top free resources for technical interview prep. You can click on the top right corner. Let's talk about paid resources. 1. Cracking the coding interview. This is one of the simplest books to read and understand. It covers almost all aspects of the coding interview, especially in the big tech companies. It shares information and the key things to know about before accepting an offer, like making sure that the tech stack that you are working is not outdated or restricted like VB script or outdated technologies like Perl, which can hurt your career in the long term. It covers from data structures and algorithms to behavioral interviews as well. So this is the only book you will ever need to understand the big tech interview flow. 2. Elements of programming interview. Now this is a similar book like Cracking the Coding Interview, but this has more focus on data structures and algorithms, and it also helps you to give you the important questions to solve according to your schedule. If you have 1 week of time left for the interview, there's a specific set of problems or higher priority questions that you can solve them first. If you have 4 weeks of time for the interview, then you can solve a couple of more. You can follow a different plan and different set of questions. Now you can also use this book in various different programming languages that you like. If you like Python, there's a book for Python, and there's also a book for C++ and Java as well. And I will be providing the links for the Elements of Programming Interview (EPI) and Cracking the Coding Interview in the link below. So you can go to over there. There's an Amazon link. You'll be able to get that book. Resource number 3. System Design by Alex. This book is especially for folks who are preparing for system design interviews. It contains various common system design problems along with a guideline of how to approach a system design question during the interview. So this book is quite useful and small. There are good diagrams here as well, which helps you to understand the architecture easier and help learning a little bit more fun. Resource number 4. Grokking the System Design Interview. This resource is great if you have less time and you want to understand the core fundamentals along with the list of popular system design questions. There is basics of system design as well in this course, like what is consistent hashing, hinted handoff, and these terms are used in the system design problems as well. So you can understand when to use those system design basics into solving a system design question. This will definitely pay off. So I do highly recommend this course. I have shared a link in the description below for this course. Grokking the Coding Interview. Now there are some patterns that can help you to solve DSA questions like sliding window, 2 pointers, merge intervals, 3 BFS, and so on. This course would help you to remember these patterns really well by solving their coding problems, which are grouped into a single patterns. So when you see a new question and solve it using the existing pattern that you have learned in the first few minutes of seeing a question, you should be able to recognize which pattern you can use in your tool set in order to solve that question in time. Resource number 6. Interviewing.io. This is a website where you can pay software engineers to take your interviews from data structure and algorithms, behavioral interviews, high-level design interviews as well. Though this is expensive, but I have heard that they do give you a detailed feedback for each interview. So example, if you're interviewing with Google, then you can have a mock interview with a Googler from interviewing.io and getting their detailed feedback. This can help boost your confidence and can help you in gaining self-awareness of you being ready for their interview. Point number Number 7, Lead Code Premium. Now, Lead Code Premium is costly, so a lot of people take a step back and think if it's really required to get a premium subscription. I would suggest to take it for a confidence boost if you think that you need one, only when your interview is scheduled. So the benefits is seeing the most frequently asked questions here, and to be honest, there is no actual way of knowing it's really accurate or not. So please take it with a grain of salt and focus on the fundamentals, and when you have extra time, you may go with this approach. The one thing that I liked about Lead Code Premium is the company specific mock interviews, where you get a detailed score of a mock interview which you just gave, which helps you to assess if you're ready for those type of questions which are typically asked in their company interview. That's all for this video. I know that this is a pretty short video. If you think that I missed out any good paid resource for a technical interview, please do comment down below and do subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such content. Thanks for watching.